Hello everyone. In this video, we shall demonstrate the installation of EventTracker Log Manager for version 9.1. The EventTracker Log Manager provides a unique combination of capabilities including real-time alerting, log search, secure log storage, reports, and knowledge. This installation video is designed as an easy reference since we recognize the imperative importance of error-free and painless installation experience. The hardware requirements, the required components, and the compatible browsers are listed in this slide. Ensure that the Windows updates with all the latest service packs are installed on the server, and note that it is recommended not to install EventTracker on a domain controller and to run the EventTracker Manager console on a dedicated Windows server. Here, the ports used by ETLM are listed for you to set up the exceptions in the firewall appropriately. Next, these are the list of services that will run on the server where EventTracker Log Manager is installed. The supported operating systems for the EventTracker Manager and the EventTracker agents are listed here. Now, let us take a look at the installation process. Once you have downloaded the ETLM executable file, right-click the file and choose Run as Administrator. The EventTracker pre-install check window displays. Click Next, which would show the hardware summary pane. Please note that it may take a few seconds to fetch the hardware details, and a processing symbol will appear during the data collection process. Click Next, and if the prerequisites are not installed, then a message "Not installed" displays against the respective prerequisite. Click Next to proceed. Click the Download button to initiate the download and the installation of the prerequisites. Depending on the operating system, EventTracker prompts you to install the Microsoft SQL Server 2017 or 2016 Express Edition. For more information on the supported SQL Server editions, refer to the ETLM v9.1 install guide. Click the Download button to proceed with the SQL Server installation. For the SQL installation, please provide the username and password of the logged in user so that the user will be made as a sysadmin in SQL. After SQL Express is installed, Elasticsearch page displays. EventTracker pre-install check will install the Elasticsearch version 6.3.2. The pre-installer prompts to download the Elasticsearch. Click the Download button to proceed with the installation. Depending on the operating system, the pre-installer will automatically configure the IIS. In our environment, the operating system is Windows 2016 and the IIS version 10 gets configured automatically. After IIS is installed successfully, enter the relevant credentials for the user who will manage ETLM and then click Next. The installation summary page gets displayed where you can verify all of the data that was entered and then click the Install button. It will redirect you to the registration page of EventTracker. Fill in the details on the Register Trial page to proceed with the installation. It will display a thank you screen, which you can close to proceed with the installation. The EventTracker Install Shield wizard displays the welcome screen. Click Next, and the Install Shield wizard displays the license agreement screen. Read the license agreement. Click the Next button. It displays the summary of the installation path, console type, and the selected features, and then you can click the Install button to proceed with the installation. The Install Shield wizard initializes the configuration settings required for the proper operation of EventTracker. After initializing the necessary configuration settings, click Import Existing Event Log Entries option to import existing event logs such as application, security, and other logs from the system if required. Check Add a Shortcut to the Desktop option to add the shortcuts to the EventTracker application on the desktop. Add EventTracker Diagnostics as a Startup Program option is selected by default to notify the problems about EventTracker, if any. Click Finish to conclude the installation process. The Install Shield wizard displays the EventTracker configuration screen next. Enter the EventTracker admin credentials. After successfully validating the user credentials, the Install Shield wizard displays the EventTracker configuration message box. Next, change the SQL service to run under the network service. The installation process is now complete. You can verify the same by launching the EventTracker Enterprise application and logging in using the valid credentials. Here, you will notice that the current installation of ETLM is an evaluation version. Once you obtain the valid license certificate from EventTracker support, you can upgrade the same by navigating to the EventTracker control panel, double-click the License Manager, and click on Upgrade License. Browse to the path where the certificate file exists and then click the Upgrade button. It shows you a message that the upgrade was done successfully. This concludes our demonstration of the ETLM version 9.1 installation. Thank you.